Assalamu alaikum, esteemed guests and fellow Pakistanis. Today we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion, the 75th anniversary of our beloved country's independence. On this day in 1947, our founders' unwavering dedication and unrelenting struggle bore fruit and Pakistan was born. We pay tribute to the vision and leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Qaid-e-Azam who dared to dream of a separate homeland for Muslims. We honor the sacrifices of our ancestors who fought tirelessly for our freedom. And we remember the struggles of those who migrated to this land, leaving behind their homes and loved ones. Today, we celebrate our resilience, our courage, and our determination. We celebrate the progress we have made and the milestone we have achieved. But we also acknowledge the challenge we face and the work that remains to be done. Let's pledge to work together to build a Pakistan that is just, equitable, and prosperous for all. A Pakistan where every citizen has access to education, healthcare, and opportunities. A Pakistan that is a beacon of hope and peace in the world. Long live Pakistan! Long live the spirit of independence!